Being American is not letting someone else decide who you are and how you should be called. The American ideal is about freedom. Victor Green's Green Book allows us to tell that story from the perspective of human beings whose skin was colored.
The Green Book was a great way to understand how you could get from A to B safely. And even though it wasn't all about struggle and fear, there was a seriousness to traveling while Black, and there were severe consequences.
This book allows us to really just simply embrace the genius of us, the grace of us, the care of us, the creativity of us, the flyness of us, the sincere love of us as a community. It is actually the American story.